Now, I will demonstrate to you how to use the Car Tint plugin. To begin, first go to Purchase and click on Purchase Invoice. Since I have already created an invoice, I will just click Edit and elaborate things from that. You can see here I've already ordered 4 types of color stable, which is 10, 20, 50 and 70, and 5 rolls of paint protection film, and 2 liters of coating. Now, to check the stock quantity, go to Stock and click on Stock Balance Report. Here, click Inquiry. You will now notice the current stock balance. We can also perform car window settings. To do that, go to Car Tint Film and click on Car Window Setting. Here, you can set the tinted window unit quantity based on the formula given. After that, you can also choose the default coating by clicking here. Since I have already preset everything, I will click Cancel. But if you are keying in for the first time, key in all the relevant data based on formula, then click Save. We can also perform some configuration setting to enable the stock items to be updated and calculated accurately. So to do that, go to Stock and click on Stock Item Maintenance. Here, select the stock item that you want to edit. For example, mine would be CS10. Then, click Edit. And here, check the checkbox is tinted. This will ensure that any changes made hereafter will automatically be calculated and updated accurately. So once done, click OK. To create a new invoice, click on Invoice. And here, select the debtor, right-click and click on Add to add an item. For example, CS Package 2020. In this pop-up, which would be the car window screen, select the color stable that you like. For example, 20. Then select the color stable for the front window screen and the rear window screen. So once done, select the coating UOM. For example, I choose 5 years. Then click Save. Once done, click Save. Now, if we go to Stock and click on Stock Balance Report, and if we click, we would notice that there is difference in stock now. Now, I will demonstrate how to create an invoice for the PPF materials. So to do that, click on Invoice, then select another debtor, click to add an item. For example, I will choose the PPF door, then I will key in the unit price. So once done, click Save. So if we go back to Stock and click on Stock Balance Report, and if we click Inquiry, we will notice that there is difference, and this time we also have PPF in the Stock Balance Report. The changes done is based on the formula coded within the system. The formula for PPF item is as follows. To set the formula for PPF item, go to Stock, click on Stock Item Maintenance, and select the PPF item, for example PPF door, and click Edit. And here, if we go to Ingredient, we are able to perform the ingredient settings. In this case, I can choose the item code. The description will automatically generate it, and then I can choose between the roll or the unit, and then the quantity. So once done, click OK. We can also purchase the PPF materials in roll. So to do that, I will create another invoice. Then select the debtor, add an item. I will select the PPF, and this time under the UOM, I will change it into roll. Then key in the price. Once done, click Save. So if we go back to Stock and click on Stock Balance Report, and if we click Inquiry, we will notice that there is a difference. Thank you.